Today we will talk about one small command in Git, it's cherry pick. So what is cherry pick? So let's imagine a situation that you have created your feature branch from C commit, and after that in master there is development and somebody already created a couple of additional commits in master branch. And in one of these commits there is some very important bug fix. In your branch you want this commit with fixing this bug, but in the same case you do not want the whole commits, all other commits, or anything what was added additionally. That's why you can't rebase, and you are not ready to merge your commit because you didn't finish your work. You didn't finish your work, and you just need this commit D. So how can we do it? How can we get this commit? Really, we need just copy this commit to our feature branch and use it during our branch. So copying this commit, it calls cherry pick operation. Really, I didn't use it very often in development experience, but just a couple of times I use it. So how it will work, how it looks. So we just copy this D commit and add it to our feature branch, and then this commit, it has its own SHA-1 ID, commit ID is the same as here, and then when you will decide to merge your branch into master, the Git will know that it's the same commit, and it will skip any conflicts, or you won't resolve conflicts in this commit. So in case you need to copy some commit, some implementation or some fix, you can use this cherry pick operation. It's pretty simple and it might be very useful for you.